Let me welcome you to harvest. Would you mind if we got started? 'Cause I see you as a rolling field, trapped inside a studio apartment. Let me hold on to you until you can see every plate. And I will tell you something that I figured out the hard way. Heaven knows I do find a peace, paradise hidden in the weeds, but I can just realize love that no one can take away. It's a little more to every day when I can just realize the cold gets in your jacket. Sometimes you just hear static. It doesn't mean you gotta change your ways. That's just life some days. Don't go messing with your heart. Don't you go messing with your heart. That's the only thing that beats the same. It reminds you from where you came. Heaven knows that you found a peace, paradise hidden in the just realize love that no one can take away. 'Cause it gets a little more to every day when I just realize. Can you feel like who are you deep down? Can you feel not trying to be someone else? Who are you deep down? We are not trying to be somebody else. Heaven knows I do find a piece of paradise hidden in the weeds when I get to see you and realize it's just you in real life. Heaven knows I do find a